Hi, in this short video, I'll show you how I made this negative painting. Let's get right into it. In this video, I'll share with you the techniques that went into making this painting. We're basically painting one of those images on a photographic film. This one, for example, was used to take my passport photo when I was only 10 years old. You can see two things are reversed, the tones and the colors. The lightest areas appear darkest and vice versa. Secondly, the colors are reversed into their respective complementary colors. With that in mind, we'll paint the background white because it is black. And for the highlights, we'll use black paint. For the colors, which are only two, blue and orange, we'll reverse them into their respective complementary colors. For the orange areas, we'll use blue because that is the color on the opposite side of the color wheel. We do the same with the blue areas. We'll paint them orange because that is the color that complements it.
Theory aside, the easiest way to paint this is by using a reference image of an already inverted image. You can do that on any image editing software like Photoshop.
To do that on Photoshop, select the layer, go to the image drop down, select adjustments, then click on invert. Alternatively, select the layer, then use the shortcut Ctrl-I on Windows or Command-I if you're using a Mac. It's that simple. Now let's start painting. You can check if the hues and tones are right by using any negative camera app, which can be downloaded from Play Store or App Store. I've linked the app that I'm using on the description. To get the light tones, I add black. To get the dark tones, I add white. I know, it sounds crazy. That's what makes it interesting. Again, check if you've gotten the colors right by using the negative effect on your camera. That's it. I told you so. It's very easy. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. There is more where this came from, so please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you next time.